connected. My life is a TV series, only NASA could direct it. Only take cash, they ain't never gave credit. Had to risk it all in myself, so I bet it.
Hey, second channel. Hey, y'all. So, on today's second channel, we're gonna make pizza. So, we're gonna make our own pizza. Instead of ordering pizza, I got on Instacart and ordered some pizza toppings or whatever. I thought I had 2 pizza pans, but only got 1. So, and I want to cook two pepperoni pizzas, but I only got 1 pizza pan. But anyways, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and baby girl, let's get into it. So anyways, I got the oven. I got the oven on 450. Cause that's what the thing said. It said, so it said 425, but I got it on 450. Yo, woo, this butter cold. So we're gonna take it out of the pack. We can actually take both of them out of the pack because we're gonna use both of these pizza crusts. Yo. So we're gonna take one. Hold on. It's 3 of them. Oh, hold on. It's 3 pieces. Oh Lord, hold on. Hold on, I did not know 3 in here. I thought it was just 2. But anyways, we got 1 right here. So let's coat it with the pizza. What a pizza? Oh, let's coat it with some pizza sauce. Yeah. Yeah. We want light pizza sauce now. We're gonna shake it. We want some light pizza sauce. So we're gonna take it, put it on there. We're gonna make we're gonna make this one pepperoni, and then we're gonna make the other ones. We're gonna make 1 pepperoni and 1 cheese. Hell, we might well just make, 3 pizzas because, girl, I reckon that's how you spread it around like that too. I reckon. Y'all, this is my first time doing this. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot to butter the pan. But anyways. And then, we're going to take some 4 cheeses. Mexican cheese. Mexican style cheese. Yo. Put it on there. So, we just going to sprinkle it all over. No, we like a lot of cheese. We like a lot of cheese. So we got to set the timer for like, let's see, for 8 to 12 minutes. So let's put more cheese. Like that. Ooh. Yeah. That look nice like that too. So we're gonna come in with some pepperoni. Yeah, we're gonna make this one pepperoni. Oh Lord. Hold on, why they make these things like this? Okay, there we go. Okay. We're gonna take a little bit of pepperoni, and we just gonna put it in different spots. Put it all the way around. Bitch, I can become a pizza maker. Yeah. Y'all see? Y'all see? We cooking today. Look, that's all the pepperoni. Hold on, we're gonna put something. We're gonna put some in some spots. Yeah. We might make 2 pepperoni pizzas. Yeah. Yeah, that's how. So we're gonna come in with some of this cheese right here. And we're gonna put it on top. We're gonna sprinkle some on top of the pizza. Make it cheesy, by the way. Yeah, let's make her cheesy. Ooh, Lord. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Spread her around like that. Yeah. I reckon the oven hot. So we're gonna have to put her on 8. What's that? We're gonna put it on 12 minutes. Let's put it on 12. How long? I got to see. Hold on, y'all. I know I'm in the camera. But we're gonna go 15. So this is a pizza right here. Let's throw her in the oven. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be back when we about to make the cheese pizza. Ooh, y'all, let's get the pizza out. I think I almost burnt it. Yeah. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Ooh, thin crust. Very much nice, giving. So let's transfer her over to that side. Period. So that's how she look. So y'all, let's make 2 more pieces. So we're gonna leave Miss Oven on. So let's make 2 more pieces. This time, it's just gonna be, hold on. I don't know. I think he don't matter. But let's get the sauce. Yeah, let's get the sauce. Oh, and then let's spread her all over. Now I want to make this one real saucy. Yeah, I want to make the cheese real saucy. Let's put some more sauce in the middle. Ooh, yeah. Period. Somebody gonna come in the comments and say, "You ain't doing it right." Yeah. Somebody gonna pop in my comments and say I ain't doing shit right. But anyway, I really don't care. But anyways, let's take some of this cheese right here. We need a lot. Cause I want it cheesy. Yeah. The pepperoni came out real good. Yeah. And this is thin crust, so it don't take that long to cook. Yeah. It don't be taking that long to cook. So let's get it all over. You ain't doing it right. I can hear somebody now. Ness, you is not doing it right. How hard it is to make a pizza? Well, cheese pizza. And the crust I already made, so girl, it ain't that hard. The next one's gonna be mixed. It's gonna be cheese and pepperoni. All these pieces, girl, I don't know, baby. We'll have some for tomorrow too. Let's put that at the bottom. Put that in there, and let's just let that cook. But to then, we about to go breaking him. So let's break him. Oh. 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 The crust is how I want it. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Oh. Yep. Yep, that's it. Ooh. It's hot too. Took them 10 minutes. Yeah. They're good. And the crust is hard like a thin crust, but I think it needs more sauce. Yeah. I think I'm just missing more sauce. Now, now I wish I could have kept that hamburger meat. I now wish I could have kept that hamburger meat in my cart. Ooh. Yeah. Look at the bottom crust. No, nice and crunchy. Tea. Okay, y'all. The kids ate my pepperoni pizza, bitch. I was like, damn, y'all can't wait till I get finished cooking. Well, anyways, they about to get ready to go. But anyways, the cheese piece is out. I can't let the damn children know the cheese piece is out. But anyways, the timer just went off. They go to cheese pizza. Let's pick her over there. So, I think I'm gonna make this one with pepperoni and cheese.
What, everybody got
No. That's why I'm trying to hush my mouth and be quiet.
He said tell us to make that go with pepperoni. So you said to make that with pepperoni, but everybody ain't down.
Pepperoni and cheese. I'm gonna half it up.
You gotta have to you said that's why she trying to keep these girls there. Who am I still there?
Still the same peoples.
Except for Lorna Davis and Lacey.
Yeah.
The rest of the
They got to get on a flight, so. And they waiting.
So they went in you to do that for they to head out and get on their flight.
How long? I got the camera on. How long? Ooh. Damn, they don't spoil it, they go running. Ooh, Lord. I feel like I got answers up in my damn house or something. I feel like they didn't get a bunch of answers. Lord have mercy. No. Should I add some more cheese to it? That's a lot of cheese. I'm gonna add some more. Ooh. I'm gonna do it on one side. Let's look a mess. Y'all got me on hold.
Because you said, we got you on mute because you said you was videoing.
This gonna put music over it.
That's why we mute the phone.
No, I'm putting music over it.
Really?
Cause if I was gonna keep my voice, then I would have said, hold on a minute. I'm still on here talking to y'all. They look nice. Hopefully, they don't come. She out there. Yeah, she out there.
Yes,
Out there talking loud on that phone. Y'all cut on. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. So we finished the pizza. So I just got me a little couple of slices. Yeah. This is the pepperoni side. Cheese. I ain't got that but cheese and pepperoni pizza. So, you know. That's good. I got me some coconut water. Pineapple, coconut water. That is so good. So anyways, this is it for this video. So hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, follow my social media down below. Use my discount code down below. And stay safe, fuck that, be kind, be blessed. Bless other people, the blessing will come to you, and no bullying. And I'll see y'all in the next video. And I just wanted to show y'all this. I know it's a super long video, but I just want to show y'all me making pizza. Yeah. Bro, this chick ate that pizza, ate that first pepperoni pizza up real fast. I'm like, dang. I'm glad I did take me a little few bites out of it. Damn. But anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.
Started on the clubs, in the end, don't regret it. They'll use the past against you if